The new entryway at our school has given us a facelift, demonstrating how we are moving into the 21st century in a historical building. Our Welcome Center welcomes families in while still keeping the security and safety of our children in mind. We have new ramps, a new elevator, a lift, and a lula.
Spring Harbor is grateful for its office addition and elevator. Moving the office to the first floor has increased security for our building. The elevator is providing increased access to our building for people with mobility impairments. The results of the referendum project were particularly admired as part of our school's 50th celebration, with comments that included, "The school looks fantastic from both the street and inside. For the first time, I can get to my child's classroom on the second floor." One other comment was, "I love the new main office and entrance setup. It's both secure and welcoming at the same time."
The Lowell community is grateful for the referendum work completed at Lowell in 2017. Prior to the work, a student, staff member, or visitor would encounter steps in 8 different locations across a typical day. Happily, this past fall, a Lowell parent confined to a wheelchair attended parent-teacher conferences for the first time, thrilled that she could enter through our front doors and take the elevator to her daughter's second-floor classroom.
East High School is fortunate enough to be included in the last referendum. This was approximately a $4 million project that benefited the school but also benefited the community. Well, it impacts the community because it highlights our fine arts department, but it also highlights just all the talent on the east side. Our music department puts on multiple concerts. We had our first musical in the past 20 years, in which we had packed houses all 3 nights. We've invited our Hmong community to celebrate the Hmong New Year. I don't think it's just my favorite feature, the chairs. Several years ago, we had the old bowling alley style chairs in here, and it was pretty brutal to sit. You sit in comfort. When you're in here, you just feel like you're in a place that is just amazing. But it'll be something that will be really nice to be able to give back to our taxpayers to be able to utilize the Margaret Williams Theater.